The award in Pharmaceutical Leadership category goes to Vani Manja, Country Managing Director, Boehringer Ingelheim, India.
वानी मांझा जी को, जो कंट्री के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है BII के, मैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। बहुत आपके अच्छे काम के लिए मैं हृदय से आपको बधाई दे रहा हूँ।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय मंत्री चौबे जी, and good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to add congratulations to the IHW Council for instituting the Janani Awards. It is indeed great to have platforms such as these to recognize and celebrate the immense contributions of women to our society and at large, and importantly in health and well-being. As so well articulated by many of the speakers earlier today, women are indeed a pivotal and central force in creating, sustaining, and nurturing our current and future generations. And more often than not, most remain unsung heroes, working tirelessly and selflessly for the greater good of our nation and of our society, which is why it's great to have such platforms to recognize and to celebrate women. Secondly, my very sincere thanks to the esteemed members of the grand jury and to the Honorable Minister Chaube ji for this prestigious recognition. I am truly honored to receive this award so unexpectedly, and also humbled as I look at my fellow awardees and find myself in such great company. Having spent the first chapter of my career in the Indian Army, one of the first batches of women in the 1990s, and now having returned to lead the Boehringer Ingelheim India team after several years in the US and Europe, I find myself in a privileged but also position of responsibility to contribute to our team within Boehringer Ingelheim India, to our customers, healthcare professionals, to our patients in need across many different disease areas, and to the people of India in the field of health and wellness at large. And I also commit to do this by leveraging my global experiences. This responsibility has taken an even greater significance today, as also said by earlier speakers, in the context of the current challenges that we're all going through this together. So I sincerely thank you for this award and recognition, and recommit to each day earn the honor that this recognition confers on me in terms of contributions to the society as a woman leader in the field of health and wellness. Thank you very much.